What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with the latest update of XRP. My friends, absolutely, this video going to be special, going to be urgent for all XRP holders. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and alert news about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. So in this video, first of all, we look the latest update of XRP, and after that we discuss that what's coming on and next in XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, friends. My friends, the latest price of the XRP is 0.99000001 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the XRP. On the other side, if you look the Bitcoin BTC price of the XRP, so 0.00002633 USD dollar is the Bitcoin price of the XRP in the market. Total supply, available supply, you can see here, absolutely it's going good, my friends. On the other side, if you look at price change in the XRP, so the pricing is absolutely going very good. Last 1 hour pricing is 0.09%, 24 hours pricing is 5.28%, last 1 week pricing is 9.9%. Absolutely, my friends, I'm very happy now. XRP is going to the moon. So it's a celebration time, it's enjoy time, my friends. The price is going positive. I'm very happy to see this. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please share in the comment box. Now let's see. My friends, the alert news is that maybe my friends, in the next few hours the price of the XRP falls down. Maybe in the future they take a jump, but on the basis of my technical analysis, I think that there is a fast in the next few hours. So don't decide to sell, you have to hold. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from the XRP. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.